This is the ATAK in 2 video series. Drawing circles. The Drawing Tools icon allows the user to create different shapes and/or telestrate on the map. Select the Drawing Tools icon. To add a circle, select the circle icon, select a location to place the center point and tap another location for the radius. Select the circle. Selecting any point of the circle on the map will open the Circle Radial menu. Select Details on the Radial menu. Selecting a field allows the user to edit. We will edit the circle name, and select Done when finished. Next we will edit the circle radius. Select OK when finished. We will adjust the object's height. Select OK when finished. To move the circle to a new destination, enter coordinates in the center location or tap and hold on the circle. Select a new location on the map. Adjust line thickness and color opacity with the slide bars. Labels can be toggled on and off with the checkbox. Select the circle. Select the Free Rotate 3D View option on the Radial menu. This allows you to rotate and view the object in 3D. The Free Rotate 3D icon will appear in the left portion of the screen. To turn off this feature, tap the icon in the left portion of the screen. Thank you for watching.